This is the third video of the section, Mining Associations with the Apriori Rule. In the previous video, we learned to display associations and transactions. In this video, we'll introduce how to perform association analysis using the Apriori Rule. Association mining is a technique that can cover interesting relationships hidden in a transaction dataset. This approach first finds all frequent item sets and generates strong association rules from frequent item sets. First, let's understand how association mining works. The purpose of association mining is to discover relationships between items from a transactional database. Typically, the process of association mining finds item sets that have support greater than the minimum support. Next, the process uses the frequent item sets to generate strong rules that have confidence greater than minimum confidence. By definition, an association rule can be expressed in the form of x equals greater than y, where x and y are disjointed item sets. For example, milk equals greater than bread. A customer who buys milk is likely to buy bread. We can measure the strength of associations using two terms, support and confidence. Support shows the percentage of a rule that is applicable within a dataset, while confidence indicates the probability of both x and y appearing in the same transaction, where sigma refers to the frequency of a particular item set and n denotes the population. One may still obtain many redundant rules with high support and confidence. Thus, we can use the third measure, lift, to evaluate the quality, ranking, of the rule. By definition, lift indicates the strength of a rule over the random co-occurrence of x and y. We can use lift in the following form. Then we can see what the a priori function is. A priori is the best known algorithm for mining associations, which performs a level-wise breadth-first algorithm to count candidate item sets. The process of a priori starts by finding frequent item sets of items that have minimum support level-wise. For example, the process starts by finding frequent 1 item sets and then continues by using frequent 1 item sets to find frequent 2 item sets. The process iteratively discovers new frequent k plus 1 item sets from frequent k item sets until no frequent item sets are found. Finally, the process utilizes frequent item sets to generate association rules. Now that we've covered all the basics, we start with the task. Ensure that you have completed the previous task by generating transactions and storing these in a variable trans. First, we use the a priori to discover rules with support over 0.001 and confidence over 0.1. Then we use summary function. We can see the output over here. We can then use inspect to display all rules. Here are all the rules. Last, you can sort rules by confidence and then inspect all rules. So I use inspect, and here you go. For those interested in research results and how support, confidence, and lift measurement are defined, refer to these papers. In this video, we understood and implemented the a priori rule successfully. In the next video, we'll prune redundant rules.